Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one is a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A Sahara beige MB-Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLA 250 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Clean set of floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist. An LED logo which appears when you open the door. Memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, got a push start ignition. Steering wheel controls. This one also does have smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Satin brown poplar wood trim. Rear view backup camera. Hard keys for our media display. Heated seats. This one also does come with the convenience package, which is going to give you a garage door opener and auto dimming mirrors. Got dual climate controls, cup holders. This GLA 250 has 28,344 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250, check out feldmanimports.com.